Guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about Vechain. My friends, in this video I'm talking about the latest and urgent update of the Vechain. Absolutely, my friends, it's your day. It's your days, my friends, and especially August. Very congratulations to all Vechain holders about August, my friends. Let me show you more details about Vechain, but before starting this video I request everybody to please click the subscribe button for more news and updates videos. The currently and latest price of the Vechain in the cryptocurrencies market is live 0.084358 USD dollar. That is the currently price in live price update of the Vechain in the market. And my friends, furthermore, if you talk about the price changes occurs in the Vechain, so you can see, my friends, that just in only the last 7 days, last 1 week, changes of the Vechain is positive, and except of the last 1 week, the last 1 hour, the last 1 day's changes occurs in the Vechain is completely negative. Just in only the last 1 week change is positive, my friends, and except of the last 1 week, the last 1 hour, 1 day change is negative. Anyways, what is your opinion and what you think about Vechain future? My personal prediction, my personal technical analysis tell us that, my friends, higher possibilities. I know about the Vechain that from the last 2 months, the Vechain price gradually decrease, my friends. But now in this time, higher possibilities, and I believe that 80% possibilities that Vechain will pump in the August. So that's why, my friends, I recommend for all of you to please hold Vechain for a long time. And if you want to invest in a Vechain, so now I think it's opportunity, because in a nowadays the pricing is negative and the price is very low. So that's why I request everybody to please buy now more and more Vechain and hold for long term. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.